Negotiating Texas commercial electricity rates requires a strategic approach. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you navigate the negotiation process. 1. Assess your needs. Begin by analyzing your energy requirements and usage patterns. Understanding your business's peak demand and average consumption empowers you to negotiate rates tailored to your needs. 2. Research retail electricity providers, REPs. Identify licensed Texas retail electricity providers that cater to commercial clients. Compare their pricing structures, contract terms, and customer reviews. Your electricity broker can assist in compiling this information. 3. Leverage multiple offers. Obtaining quotes from various reps provides you with negotiating leverage. Highlighting competing offers can encourage providers to present more competitive rates. 4. Collaborate with an experienced broker. Enlisting the expertise of a seasoned Texas electricity broker streamlines the negotiation process. Their industry insights and negotiation skills can result in more favorable terms for your business. 5. Present your case. Approach negotiations with confidence, armed with data and insights about your business's energy needs. Highlight your potential as a long-term, reliable customer to incentivize better rates. 6. Negotiate contract terms. Apart from rates, negotiate contract terms that align with your business goals. Flexibility in contract length and options for renewable energy sources might be areas of interest. More than just saving you time, an experienced electricity broker representing you in finding a favorable Texas commercial electricity contract can get you contract concessions that can result in additional savings in the short and long term. More importantly, these contract concessions will prevent you from paying more than you were expecting. Texas commercial electricity contracts are notorious for hidden fees and extra charges that can eat up all of the savings that the provider presents to you in a fancy-looking savings analysis report prior to signing the contract. If you want those savings to become a reality, make sure you are working with a knowledgeable Texas commercial electricity broker who not only knows the markets, but understands Texas electricity contracts inside and out. For online quotes, try the electricrate.com commercial rate search engine, or book a call with one of our in-house electricity brokers. Electricrate.com, let's lower that electric bill.